Today we will discuss about the function, and our previous video contained the relation chapter for the CBSE and ICSE board. Now we will discuss about the function. Look at the board. Relations and functions, these are the same chapter, but we discuss only functions. A function A from a set A to a set B is a special relation in which every element of set A has unique image in set B, and it is written as F colon A arrow B. Now clearly we can define that. Suppose this is a set X and another set X Y, and the relation from the set X to set Y is such that A arrow B, B arrow 2 and C arrow 3. In the second figure we can see that A arrow 1, B arrow 2, C arrow 2. We can't say this as a function, but this is a function because all the element of set X has the image into set Y. But here we see that the element of C has no image in the set of Y. Now coming to a short example for calculation of domain and range of a function. Suppose we have given a set, suppose we have a set of A and which contains some value. So now what will happen? Suppose consider a set contain some value, means 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to 5, or you can take 6. But the definition of relation in this case is as R equals to, the relation is as X, Y. You can say any relation, any condition. Here for our simplicity we assume that Y equals to X plus 1. This is a very simple example, but in the book or in the exercise or in the JEE main or any competitive exam you can find this kind of relation, this kind of condition for Y to X is more complex, but here we simplicity let Y equals to X plus 1. Now first we have to find the value of Y. Very simple, value of Y will be for 1, 2, because 1 plus 1, and another value will be 3, and then 4, for 4, 5, and 5 for 6, and so on. Now if we plot the graph, then we can see that in this graph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. The relation, if we convert into function, we can see that there will be no mapping 1 to 2, 2 to 3, because in the X 1 to 2, 2 into 3, 3 into where 4, 4 into where 5, 5 into where 6. But in case of 6, there is no exact image on Y. So we can't say this as a function. Now suppose we have to, the question is find the domain of R, range of R. Already we have discussed in our previous slide. But if you have to ask that what is domain? Domain, we know that what is domain? Domain of R means A colon AB belongs to R. We know in our previous slide. So here domain will be what value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Domain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if the range means the all element, second element, that means this definition remains same, but instead of A we have to write B. So what will be the range? The range will be, the range of R will be the second element. That means here range will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is our previous class. This we have discussed in our previous class, but in this class we are discussing about only functions. Now there are different kind of functions, but here we consider only 2 or 3 important functions in our syllabus. Now first one is very important function, which is modulus function, that is modulus function. So what is the definition of modulus function? What is modulus function? Modulus function is fx equals to, we know that very much about the mod function, one is positive, another is negative. Now when the value is positive, whenever x is greater or equals to 0, and whenever x is less than 0, then the modulus function will look like this. If we draw the graph, we can see that the graph will look x greater or equals to 0 and x less equals to 0, and x less equals to 0, that means there must be some gap. This is our number 1. Number 2 is signum function. Number 2 is signum function. Now what is signum function and what is the definition of signum function? Signum function contain either 1, 0 or minus 1. That means fx equals to what value we have said? 1, 0 and minus 1. 1, 0 and minus 1. Now tell me, what will be the condition for x? Number 1 is if x greater than 0, x equals to 0 and x less than 0. So if we draw the graph look like this. The graph will look like this. Suppose these are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, these are the negative portion, these are the positive portion, this is our x-axis, we know all about that, just this is x dash. So x equals to 1, x 0, x minus 1, x greater equals to 0, that means there will be similar, but there will be only one point. That means what will be the graph? I think you know very much. For 1 and 0 and minus 1, mind it, this is our 0, x equals to 1 means x greater equals to 0. So all time the value will be this, look like this, but the line never touch here, and in this case the line never touch here. That means this kind of graph. And also we have another kind of function known as greatest integer function. Greatest integer function is nothing but fx equals to this. That means if suppose 2.8, now what will be the value? 3. This is the normal function definition and function. Now we have to discuss about different types of functions example and functions category. Now coming to the point that the problem is given as there are two sets, one is A and another is B, and the function given as f equals to 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6 from A to B. The question is the function is 1 to 1 or not, whether the function is 1 to 1 or not. Now look at f equals to 1, 4, 2, 5 and 3, 6. That means f1 equals to, we can say that 4, f2 equals to, we can say that 5, and f3 equals to, we can say that 6. So it is seen that the range of distinct element of A under F are distinct. I am repeating, it is seen that in the figure in the board that the images of distinct elements of A under f are distinct. So, the function f is, we can say, 1 to 1. I think it is very much clear. And another is, suppose the another function is look like r arrow equals to r arrow r where fx equals to x to the power 4, x to the power 4. Now, we have to decide whether the relation given and the function from the question, whether it is 1 to 1, many to 1, or 1 1 on 2 but not on 2. In this regarding which one is correct, which type of function this is. Here we can say that xy belongs to R. Here we can say that xy belongs to R. So, we can say that fx equals to fy. That means x to the power 4 equals to y to the power 4, which indicates that x equals to plus minus y. That means fx1 equals to fx2 does not imply that fx1 is equal to this indicates that fx1 suppose equals to fx2. Okay. This does not indicate that x1 equals to x2. But how? Suppose f1 is equal to f minus 1 equals to 1. That means f is not 1 to 1. That is why this function is not onto 1. I think this lecture is enough for this video. Next we will discuss about the concept of g of x, f of g, etc.